Question 4, assignment 3. It states that let A matrix which is equals to 3, 0, minus 1, minus 2, and verify that A squared minus A minus 6 determinant minus 6 identity is equals to 0. So you first have to calculate your A squared. So your A squared, you're going to get A squared is the same as saying A times A. So if you multiply your A times A, you're going to get 3, 0, minus 1, minus 2, this is A, then you're multiplying by another A, 3, minus 1, 0, minus 2. So, how do you multiply matrices? You multiply matrices by saying row times column. You multiply matrices by saying your row multiplied by your column. So, this is a 2 by 2 matrix, so you multiply another 2 by 2 matrix. So, the result is defined. You can multiply them. So, when you multiply your row, you're going to say this row multiplied by this column. This row multiplied by this column. So, you're going to say 3 times 3 plus minus 1 times 0 minus 1 times this 0. Then you go to the next one. Say 3 times minus 1. Then you say minus 1 times minus 2 plus minus 1 times minus 2. Then you say 0 times 3, 0 times 3 plus minus 2 times 0 minus 2 times this 0. Then you say 0 times minus 1, 0 times minus 1. Then you're saying plus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2. You're saying minus 2 times minus 2. So now you solve for the variables here. So 3 times 3 is equals to 9. So we're going to write now 3 times 3 is equals to 9 plus minus 1 times 0 equals to 0. So you're going to have 9 here. Then 3 times minus 1 is equals to minus 3 plus minus 1 times minus 2. We're going to get 2 here. So you're going to get minus 3 plus 2. You're going to get minus 1. Minus 0 times 3, 0. Minus 2 times 0. Minus 2 times 0 is equals to 0. So 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. 0 times minus 1, 0. Minus 2 times minus 2, 4. So 0 plus 4 is equals to 4. So A squared, this is equals to your A squared. So you successfully now solved for A squared. So they are saying A squared, you have to prove that A squared minus A minus 6 identity matrix is equals to 0. So your identity matrix now, you have to say calculate your 6 times your identity matrix. Your identity matrix is 1, 0, 0, 1 for a 2 by 2 matrix. So if you multiply by 6, you are going to get 6, 0, 0, 6. So now you have you have now all your matrices that you want to use. So you first write your A squared we've calculated is equals to 9 minus 1, 0, 4. Minus A you are given, which is 3 minus 1, 0, minus 2. Then you are saying minus your 6 times your identity matrix. Your identity matrix, your 6 times your identity matrix is equals to 6, 0, 6, 0, 0, 6 here. All this is supposed to give you 0. So now 9 minus 3 is equals to 9 minus 3 is equals to 6. Minus 1 times minus 1 minus minus 1. So this becomes a plus. So it's equals to 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus minus 2, it becomes 6. Then you are subtracting from identity matrix, which is this one. 6 0 0 6. Then so you're saying 6 0 0 6 minus 6 0 0 6. 6 minus 6 is equals to 0. 0 minus 0 0. 0 minus 0 0. 6 minus 6 0. So you get a 0 matrix. So a 0 matrix is equal to 0. It can also be written as 0.